Hello, I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at the large square reflection fountain. And now this is um, a large square contemporary shaped. Uh, Hello, I'm Kenny Lowry. Today we're going to take a look at the large square reflection fountain. Now this is a large contemporary styled bowl fountain that we have here. We do have a light on in there, even though it's day. You can probably see that illuminates that plume a little bit. And if you have questions about lighting, look on the info page of the website and you'll see lighting videos where I talk specifically about lighting. You're going to want that. It's really a neat effect. So what we got is here two bowls, one inverted and one on top of that. That's why I call it reflection. It's kind of like if it were setting on water, it would kind of look like a reflection of it underneath. I love the way the water comes off of it there. You can kind of see the way it comes over those corners. Now this is one of those fountains that you would have to get it almost perfectly level, so you're going to have to use shims to do that. So when you're, and that's pretty much all fountains, you'll have to use shims to get them level. Things like the boulder fountains that we sell, that's not real critical. But when you have water rolling over a rim, usually you're going to have to do some kind of shimming to get it to come out evenly all the way around. This is the gray color, and it is a very contemporary style fountain. I love the sound because that larger bowl with that open water would shoot that water up, and water falls on water, gives you a good sound. Also, this is large. It's a large bowl. I think these fountains are going to be better near sitting areas. I think with that reflective motion of the light, and if it were nighttime here, you'd see that reflective motion there. And you'll be able to see down in the bowl. So near a sitting area, I think is where these fountains are going to be the best. Out in the garden, away from where you're sitting, they're lower. I think you wouldn't be able to take advantage of being able to see that water. If you want, you could turn that water off, put floating candles in there. Because if you put floating candles in there with the water running, it's going to probably put the candle out, and plus it's going to push it over to the side. So if you want to do some floating candles, effects like that at night, you can do that with this type fountain because of that large surface bowl area. Right now, I'll grab the camera and show you up close. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up the sound. And I think you can see that water effect as it kind of rolls over those edges there and down on those corners. And with uplighting, that really picks that up, so it's a really neat effect. You can kind of see that light in there, even though it's daylight. I think you can probably pick that up a little bit.